So we got a really big announcement here. So previously I talked about adding SBML species to individual object types and creating those. And we do that simply by specifying a species here. And to display its concentration value, we simply set a color map and a style. But now it got a huge announcement here. Now we actually have the um, diffusion transport solver working, where what we can do is we can actually define a flux between objects where we specify one object type, another object type, a species name, and the flux rate. And this allows us to write a diffusion reaction between object types. Go ahead and create a couple object instances there, set their initial concentration, and run the simulation. So this is the actual model here, and run it. And that is literally how simple it is to define a model with species attached to different types, how to create object instances, and define transport relationships between those object instances. Thanks.